Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. What if I told you that you can build powerful web apps like dashboard, email tools and interactive data products using only one Python library? You don't need to know CSS, JavaScript or HTML. That's why in this video we're going to learn Streamlit, what is Streamlit and why is important for you, and why as a data analytics or data scientist you should know Streamlit. So all of this we'll discuss in this video. First of all, Streamlit is a Python library or framework. Using Streamlit, you can build web apps because Streamlit provides you the structure. It means in the case of CSS, JavaScript, or HTML, you have to write so many codes. Okay, so that's why as a data learner, you don't need to know that another language like JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Okay, you already learned Python, so that's why the Python also give you the framework Streamlit. With the help of Streamlit, you can make a web app and you can showcase your project through it. That's why first of all I'll go to the Streamlit website and I'll show you that how Streamlit and how is the documentation. You can see over here here mentioned that a faster way to build and share data apps. It's mainly Streamlit used for building data related apps. Okay, I'll scroll down and you can see over here that they provide you the like sample code. Okay, so this is how you can build that type of graphs and peak date, just one line of code. Okay, you can also deploy it instantly. That's why Streamlit is very important to know as a data learner, as a data analytics or data scientist. So first of all, I'm going to show you that how you can install Streamlit. That is a pip install Streamlit. Just copied it and I go to the VS Code and I just paste it. Click enter. You can see that I've already installed Streamlit, so that is why it's showing requirement already satisfied. In case of you, if you don't have installed already, so it will install, and I will import it from here. Import Streamlit as st. Okay, any other module you can have to install, import it like this. First of all, I'm going to show you that how you can make a title and write title and how to launch the Streamlit web app. Okay, first of all, like I'm going to make a website, I'm going to give a title of that website. I just simply write st.title. I just write hello Streamlit. Okay, I just save it and simply you have to run and write two lines. Okay, not two lines, two words. Like you have to first write Streamlit, then you have to write run your, then you have to give your file name where it is app.py. Okay, I just write app.py. Okay, that is how you have to launch the Streamlit web app. Streamlit run app.py. App.py means this is your file name. If in case if your file name is different, so you have to give your own file name. Okay, and click enter. Nothing. You can see hello Streamlit. It came over here. Okay, then I'm going to write something like st.write. I suppose write my fast Streamlit web app. Okay, and just save it and let's see how it is. And you have to just click over here, rerun. Okay, it will automatically update it. My first Streamlit web app. Okay, it is very easy. Then I'm going to show you that header. Like suppose you have to going to give a header. So I like suppose t dot header. This is a header, and just save it and I just click auto save. I don't know it will be saved or not, but just click rerun. This is header. Okay, also you can make a sub header, so this is the same. Okay, you have to just go to the check out the Streamlit website. You will get everything over here. Okay, everything you have to just go through the website. Like suppose I'm going to give a markdown. Okay, st dot markdown. So I suppose this is a markdown. Okay, let's say go to the website and click rerun. This is a markdown. Okay, very easy. Like suppose I'm going to take a user input. Okay, like Python we can take from user input. Like I give a name, like I take a variable name called name, and in Python you just write input. Okay, but here is the same. You have to just write st dot text underscore input. I suppose enter your name. Also I will create a button. You can also create a button very easily. So I keep like if st dot button. Okay, so I will click st dot write name. If you click on button, then it will show the name. So I'll go to the website and see it will work or not. Enter your name. So it will give me some error, no attribute error. Let me see what the error is. Okay, I think I give the spelling error. Bu no, let's see button. I guess keep the name Rajesh. Click. Yeah, the name is showing over here. Name. Oh, I made a mistake, I think. Let me see what is. I have to just keep the variable name. Now it will show. It is showing. Okay, whatever you give input over here, it will show over here. Okay, I just let's see. Let's come over here. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Nothing difficult. It's very easy. Streamlit is very easy. Okay, you don't need to write lots of code. You just few lines of code. You can build a website easily, very easily. Okay, let's suppose I will create a sidebar. Okay, I suppose st dot sidebar title. I suppose give the name navigation. Okay, option. I keep the some option. Also keep a variable called option and st dot side bar dot select box. Okay, choose page. I keep 3 pages. One keep home, another one is dashboard, about. Okay, let's see how it is, then you can understand. Let me check it like this. Okay, you can create a navigation bar from here. Okay, you can choose and you can give one thing you can do is that you can select over here and you can go to that page. I'm not adding that page, just you have to create a function and you have to put this name into this function. Whenever you choose this dashboard or anything, you will move to that page. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Like suppose I will make a column. Okay, I'll show you how you create a column. Like suppose I will create a column, means one column, two columns, three columns. Okay, you can also make a column in Streamlit. So how you can create, I will show you. I just create column 1, like column 2 equal to st dot columns. I keep put 2 because I getting two columns. Okay, you have to write just with column 1. Just write anything you can write. I just keep st dot matrix. Like suppose I write something revenue only. Revenue. Just give you the example. Okay, you can show you that how it is after running the code. st dot matrix. I keep profit. Okay, just I'll show you that, run the code and you can see how it is. Value, we have to yes, you have to provide a value also. I just provide only, I said I keep the revenue, like example for 50k, and I keep the profit, for example 10k. Okay, let's see. Run this. This is how revenue and profit. These are two columns. You can make multiple columns. Okay, this is how you can do this. Like suppose I have a data. Okay, sales data. Trying to show it in my dashboard on in the web apps. So how you can do this? Also in this way, I'll show you in this video. Import pandas, because pandas is very needed over here to read the data. So I import pandas. I df dot pd dot read underscore sv. Now I have to copy this data path and I have to provide this over here. This is a dummy data set. You can also take one dummy data set to check to practice with. Okay, I put the link over here and I just write st dot data frame df. Let's see, run this. Check, take some time because I read the data. This is my data. Okay, this data, this cell data, this comes over here. Okay, same, very easy. Streamlit is not very hard, it's very easy. Okay, you can easily make chart also. You can easily make chart. Okay, like suppose I'm going to make a chart like line chart. Okay, I'm going to make a line chart like st dot line underscore chart df. On which column I'm going to make a chart, like suppose profit. I put profit over here. Let's see, run this code. This is the chart. Okay, you can also build showcase chart using in Streamlit. That is very easy, not very tough. Okay, you can do many things using Streamlit. You can show over here, you can see over here, you can go to the Streamlit website and you can check it over here. Then all the code is provided over here, like bar chart. Using this you can showcase bar chart. You can also select box, you can create also select box. You can also show calendar, many things. Okay, you can also create uploader. Like I just copy it and show you that how you can do this. Copy it and let me rerun this code. This is okay. Browse file. This is very easy. You have to just go to the website and you can easily like html uploader. You can also get all the details about file uploader from over here. Okay, each and everything. So just you have to go to the website, Streamlit website, and you have to check out the this documentation. So to get more features, how you can do this, make the website in nice way, and you can showcase your project to the client or interviewer, and you can also deploy it. How you can deploy it, I already created a video that how you can deploy your project on using Streamlit cloud. I will add that link in the description of the video. Okay, if you don't know, just click deploy and you can get deployment. Okay, free community for free. Okay, deploy now. I'll click deploy now. Shift to unable to deploy because I have to, before that I have to push all the code over here into GitHub. When you push all the code to the GitHub, that time it will not showing unable to deploy. That is very easy, just 2 click. Okay, so this is the video. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you guys.